All right, so I have some orange juice right here. I have 2 Chobani coffee creamers, the sweet cream and the vanilla. I got this one for my matcha. I got some oat milk also for my matcha. Back there I have my soy milk. And then I also brought these immunity boost vitamin C and these ones right here, the energy shots. Also got some Chobani yogurt. I got the vanilla Greek yogurt one and then the mixed berry. Then I also got some cranberry juice. I have these Defense Up drinks. I love these. These are from Kroger, but they also sell them at Starbucks. And then I also have Activia, the small little Activia probiotic dailies. And then I also have the regular yogurt in the back. Then on this shelf, I basically just have my cut up fruit. I cut up some strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries right here. I'm gonna put yogurt in here and then my little oats. And back here in those containers, I have watermelon. I already ate some of this watermelon, but the other ones are full. So I have all my fruit right here. Then I also bought some Celsius drinks and some Starbucks drinks. This is my first time having this. Hopefully it's good. Also got these oats right here for my yogurt. These are the vanilla chocolate chip ones. These are pretty good. Also end up getting the original one also. This is my favorite one. I like this one better than the chocolate chip one. I put this in my yogurt. Then I ended up getting some sliced almonds, the honey roasted ones. That is a quick summary of everything I have in my refrigerator.